Anybody ever just opened their baby's diaper and saw a rash and not really sure where it came from? Yeah, that was me, and I did everything because I wanted to do things naturally. I tried to find all of the most natural products to use on my baby's butt so that I could get that rash away. And unfortunately, it stayed there. It stayed there for days. And we had to go through a variety of different products to figure out what was actually gonna work best for her skin. But in the process of that, I didn't know she's gonna be allergic to any of those things either, and or how clean they were, because unfortunately, when you're in the middle of a diaper rash situation or you're in the middle of a baby crisis, you're not thinking about researching because that takes time. So you just kind of go based on reviews and whatever is most available and quickest for you to get. So I'm gonna share with you in this video how to just make your life a little bit easier and some simple products that you can use to make your life easier, simpler, and save money so that you don't have to carry around so much stuff in your diaper bag or in your house to actually accomplish the goal that you want to accomplish, which is to keep your baby healthy. Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Working Mama Tribe. I want to use this video to educate you on a few things that actually will make life so much easier for you when you become a mama, including some very easy products that you can use and purchase to save yourself money, save yourself time, and save yourself headaches, because nobody wants to have additional problems and issues when it comes to motherhood. So when I was pregnant the first time around, I remember making this massive baby registry. There is just so many products out on the market, so many things that are must-haves. And yes, there are some products that are absolutely necessary for us to make life easier when we become a mama. But there's also a lot of things that I realized that I put on my registry that I never touched, or that I realized that had there been a combination of a few of these different items, like wipes, how many different wipes are on the market? There's so many different great wipe options that there are. However, they can get kind of pricey and you have to buy a lot of them. And then you have blowouts, and then you have all of these things that happen. And then you end up using wipes for other things outside of diaper changes. And then you end up using a lot of wipes. And yes, we want to be using the cleanest wipe options, but those things can kind of add up in price. They can kind of add up in space. You end up using a lot more than you need, and then that's not really great for our environment. So I want to share with you a product that I came across that has been amazing for our family, because not only did it help me reduce the options and need to choose between all of these different wipe options, but then it also, like I shared with you in the beginning of this video, it helped me with the diaper rash, and it actually helped me prevent any future diaper rashes from happening, so I didn't have to carry around that diaper cream anymore. So if you haven't heard of Noleo before, it is actually a 3-in-1 diaper care product that is everything that you actually need, and it's only 5 ingredients. So for me, like I shared with you before, I like to use natural ingredients. I like to use clean products so that it is better for my baby's skin. And there are so many different options out there that claim to be clean and claim to be organic and natural, but then when you look at the ingredient list, there's this huge long list of ingredients, and half of which you can't even pronounce. All these things pretty much you can find in your kitchen, or you can find at an organic health food store, which for me gave me a lot of peace of mind, because now I can have peace of mind when it comes to actually wiping my baby, but then also knowing that these products can actually prevent diaper rashes helps me know that I'm actually killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm cleaning my baby, I am preventing my baby from having a diaper rash, and I'm moisturizing my baby. So now I don't even have to carry around the oil or the lotions that I was using before, because my baby unfortunately did have eczema. And so thankfully, this product is actually supported by the National Eczema Association, which again made an even bigger difference for me, because the product choices that I had to treat my baby's eczema, in addition to a rash, in addition to keeping her clean and putting the right lotion on her for her particular skin, this is taking care of that. And literally, this is all you have to use in your diaper bag. This is all you have to have on your changing table, along with these little pads. And you don't even have to take this entire bag of pads with you in your diaper bag, but you can take, a small handful, because each of these would serve almost like a wipe. So all you have to do is take this and use 1 to 2 pumps on it, and then you can simply wipe your baby's butt with it. Not only does it clean it, You don't have to dry it after that. It moisturizes your baby's butt, so it's almost serving like a wipe. It's serving as a moisturizer, not even needing to put any lotion to make sure your baby's skin is not too dry. And it's actually preventing diaper rash. So the fact that this little pad and this cream can do all of that, it's an A in my book. And then once you have taken care of that, put the baby's diaper on and you are good to go. So that's one of the reasons why I really love this product, is because it is taking care of so many things. It's reducing our need to buy a bunch of things. It's reducing our need to carry around a bunch of things. And it's reducing our need to think about how clean the products are that we're using and minimizing the number of products that we actually have to buy. So that's one of the reasons why I really love this product. One of the things I didn't know about just skincare in general and understanding what kind of products we use on our baby's bodies, how important that was. There are so many harsh chemicals in some of these natural products that are on the market, and it's actually pretty harmful to our baby's skin. And we don't know, because their skin is so immature and their skin is so fragile and it's new, we don't know how their skin is going to respond or react to that. So that's one of the reasons why this product is also one of my favorites, is because I don't have to think about whether or not what's in my baby's product is clean or natural or organic, because everything is right here on the front and I can pronounce all of it and I know exactly where it all comes from. I didn't realize with my first baby, when I would use products that would just say natural or organic ingredients, I didn't actually look past what that claim was. I didn't look at the ingredients, and I realize now how that could have been very harmful to his skin and actually could have been the reason why he has eczema now. And so this is something that we actually are still using on our toddler now, so that we can also protect his skin, because he dealt with eczema as well as a baby. And just because they're a toddler doesn't mean you can't use this on them either, because they have to wipe as well. So I really love the fact that this is just serving so many different needs in our home. And so one other tip that I want to share with you, in addition to some of these product ideas, is how to actually make diaper changes a lot easier for you. I don't know what it is about babies, but they just hate diaper changes. I don't know if it's just my kids, but I swear to you, for the first couple of months, every single time I would put them down on the table to actually have their diaper change, they would scream and cry. It would cause me to be very nervous and anxious, because I was really trying to get this diaper change done as quickly as possible. So I want to show you a very easy way of using this product or whatever wipes you decide to use to make diaper changes as fast, as convenient, as easy, and as safe as possible, and enjoyable for your baby and for you, because honestly, nobody wants to hear screaming during a diaper change when you have to do multiple of them a day. So I'm going to show you a very simple way to change a baby's diaper for a newborn, and then also how to do standing diaper changes, which will help support your baby as they transition into potty training, also using this product. Was helpful for you when you think about the type of products that you are going to use on your baby's skin, to make sure that you are putting the most organic, safe, natural, and clean ingredients on your baby's skin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for daily tips, tricks, and education on pregnancy, birth, postpartum. If you want to learn more about Noleo, make sure to click the link in the description box where you can check out more of their products, more of what they offer, and how this can actually make your life a lot easier in the future when you are a mama, or now that you're a mama, make your life a lot easier and make your bag a little bit lighter. See y'all in the next video.